Right, okay guys, so today we're at Raby Castle, just outside of Barnard Castle in County Durham, and we're here for the classic car show, so we're going to have a walk down now. Beautiful weather as you can see, and I'm looking forward to this one. Are you?
I am.
We'll get ourselves down there.
Are we?
Right, okay, so we've just paid in. How much was it, Pauline?
It was £12 each for adults.
Not bad yet, because we have the son and his girlfriend with us today.
So it looks absolutely huge.
And how many cars?
Almost 500 cars, so I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just making our way up there now.
Andrew, I want one of these, but like a kid-sized one, because I want to put a Christmas tree in the back of it as a decoration in the house, so it has to be like quite biggish.
All right.
It's cool.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice. And here we have the old metro, G-Reg. 1990, it's a Metro GTI. It's a shame they haven't got the bonnet up so you can look at the engine. I remember back in the day when I used to do car MOTing, and we used to get these in at the garage quite regularly, and they had an issue with the circlip underneath for the handbrake, and the circlip always used to come off. So handbrake up and down, and sometimes they just, the cable used to come detached from the handbrake. Yeah, good old times. So it's quite famous, this Buick. It was in the film Dark Shadows with Michelle Pfeiffer and Johnny Depp. It had a cameo role. The old Castrol GTX. And there, 4-cylinder. So this was first registered in September 1969. Some information on this, Morris Minor 1000. It's immaculate, that, isn't it?
Yeah. 1,000 miles.
So it's good to see that they have lots of refreshments on. They have a TP just in front of us where they have barbecue.
Yeah.
And then over here they have the crepe vans and a few other little stalls.
Yeah, ambulances here, yeah. Then there's the vinery restaurant as part of the castle, so there's lots on.
Yeah. No, it's good to see this.
Yeah, it's good.
There's loads here. Good turnout. St. Pauline, you seen the film Christine?
No.
Yeah, a long
Not
time
the
ago.
car.
Yeah.
It's a Cadillac in it?
Yeah. No, is it?
I think so, yeah.
It's a Packard.
A Packard. Lovely, isn't it? The Packard.
I love it.
And here we have the E-Type Jaguar 4.2 on the old J-Edge style. I bet there's still plenty of these kicking about, you know, in people's garages and stuff like that. Some money's worth there.
So one cheeseburger.
Yeah.
One beef burger with it all.
Work with cheese as well.
Have a good day.
Yep, sure.
Very nice. So how much was that?
It came to £46 altogether. They were £8 each,
Yeah.
and the cans of pop.
2 burgers, 2 sausages, and 4 cans of pop.
46.
I wouldn't get in your belly.
I will.
Sticky yellow, Pauline. Sticky yellow.
Sticky yellow, Andrew.
There's one there.
Sticky
Actually,
yellow.
there's another one. There's quite a few, isn't there?
Yeah.
Kicking about.
There's one over there. 4 I've seen.
Oh. It's a canny little thing, mind, isn't it?
It is. It's like,
Fee 500.
gonna say, it's in the 60s.
60s fee 500 in sticky yellow. Got the fuel tank in the front.
Yeah.
Come first, eh? Yeah.
That's why we've got that there so you can see some of it.
Yeah, the mirror on the floors there. See there's something and everything underneath there, can you? The exhaust. Fee 500L.
I tell you what, they stick 4 bushes on at once. For the full station. 4 pounds of in.
Yes, I did come along once, but I've got a job, well I had a job that my shifts didn't really work for me to come along.
Ah, right,
But
okay.
I've got a new job,
Yes.
working at a car dealership.
Oh, have you? Oh, right.
Richmond's over here. Moved on to where I am now. Which is where? Richmond. Oh, Richmond again. Oh, you're in Richmond.
So was this one of your first cars, like, Pauline?
Yeah. Yeah.
Was it really?
Yeah.
You used to own one of these?
Yeah.
When did you have that? In 1972?
Yeah.
Had one. Had one. Had one. Didn't have one. Classic. They've got the Vauxhall Nova. Beautiful. Don't see many of these kicking about now, do you?
And look, are you in Raby Castle, aren't you? Oh, right, okay, well, we'll park up in the car park.
Cleaners
And
will
I think
whistle
there's
that.
a top off when you're not shown. And the classic cars is in front of the castle. They're all...
Yeah, so this is the 1.3 Sport. So the SRI model. But they used to shift these in the time, you know, Pauline.
Oh yeah, no.
Many times used to stick the speakers back in the back partial shelf there.
Yeah.
Pump some tunes out.
Yeah.
A little bit of Coolio, you know what I mean? Arm out the window, tapping the side of the door. Showing you,
Cool.
yeah, showing you snazzy Turkish snide watch. Them were the days. And there's the old Vauxhall Cavalier. Worked on a few of them in my time. So yeah. Looks like that's the mini section over there. There's a few Metros. Beautiful day for it. Had one. Brilliant little cars. Used to rust like I don't know what, like, but never mind.
1973 Volkswagen camper van, and it smells like it's from 1973.
Does it? Got the skylights. Got the lights. The sorry.
Flower power.
Flower power. Yeah. This is a Cosworth, 16 valve turbo engine. Beautiful.
Oh, the GTV6 though.
There's a good old Ford Capri, 3000. Oh, that's beautiful, that isn't it? It's shining. And here we have another Ford Capri. It's on a V6. The Essex. K&N air filter on.
No, a fast tractor. No, am I getting ACC tractor?
I look at the interior and that.
It's going round. Big Conrad. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Is the Escort RS Turbo. Had one. The Recaro seats in there. Spotless. Oh, it's got that lovely smell. The Escort RS Turbo. This is immaculate, this one. There's a turbo just down there. Changed a few of them in my time. And there's the old timing belt cover. It's on this side. Yeah. Ah, yeah. It's a fuel pump. And the big boy exhaust. It's immaculate, that, isn't it? Beautiful. All the back shocks, suspension arms, drop links, everything, full lot replaced. The Vauxhall Calibra remembers these when they're driving. Well, some of them on the back, the spoiler used to lift up when you were driving. Yeah, nice little cars, them. So here we have a 1934 Rolls Royce. before labour restoration. It's good when they tell a bit of a story about them and where they've been and what they've been up to. So the owner was Alan Fishburne from Stockton-on-Tees. So we have a 1996 Mini, it's for sale, 5,750 on very new stuffer. There's a little bit of information about it there. Only 1,000 sidewalks were built by Rover as a limited edition. Fancy selling one of them, like Pauline? Yeah?
I do, I think it's cute.
Nice, isn't it? I don't think I'll be able to fit in one of these, like.
No, I want Doris.
Doris is the... Right, seen the registration on it? No. Raby.
Yeah.
Raby Castle. Raby Mini Metro. Or should I say just Mini? Mini Cooper.
There,
It's what?
like the sunroof, you take the panels off and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing this one.
Yeah, I'm sure of it. Proper American car, innit?
Yeah, cool.
God bless America. He's a new model.
Oh, look at that. The seats.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. All digital dash. So you go from old to new. Lovely cars.
Plastic, nice piece of stuff. It's about £657. It's supposed to be
So that was a good day out. We've just called up here, just off the cuff, Raby Castle.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Classic car show. And what's the day today?
It's
28th, 29th of
29.
June, yeah, it's Sunday. But Raby Castle always have loads of stuff on. And this has been a really, really good turnout by the looks of it. There's loads here. And it's hard because I'm just recording. I didn't bring me proper camera, so I'm just recording off my iPhone today. So I haven't got any microphones or nothing on. It's windy.
And now I'm off down to look at the Corvette.
Yeah, some Corvettes down here, so yeah. So I think we'll leave it there, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye. Giddy up there, Hillbilly. I guess myself back to my farm with my Chevrolet.